Okurujira harba mwaba Congo abutwaganiraho nabo zibire zirishahi na zikiro obatahirirwa bahekera aba batyonko kwirukangira mu Uganda.
Kwa saa 2 hivi nasikia tu masasi nanjalia usiku si tunaangalia vile masasi nanjalia hivi tufanye nini? Tukimbie ndio tukavuka mai, tunakimbia na njoo leo tuko na nyie hapa.
Wameingia tunakimbia, tukishafika kumai soda wa Kongo anasema tuikale. Sasa tutaona mubaya, tunafika kwenye mai tunavuka. Tulivuka, sasa tuliona mubaya, msoda naenda tukamata, tunavuka. Basoda wa Uganda wanatukaribisha.
Sylvester Mapoze chairman w'entebe ya kashatu ahabwa mpondwe Rubiriha town nagerangwa abakongo 103 nibo batahira mu Uganda kandi aba harumwa abana hamwe n'abandi bantu bakuru
134, and among this was one Ugandan who had gone to the garden. So when we reduce it, the Congolese here who were received are 133, and among them were children.
Chairman Mapoze na yongera girangwa abantu 8 nibo bisirwe bwanyuma yabahekera okubatahira.
It was last night at around 11 p.m. when bullets started in Congo, and because of that there were attacks which have led to the death of 8 people.
Lieutenant Mate Magwara oriyo muhezi wa RDC aba district ya Kasese na jangu bwanyuma yabahekera kurwo mu cyaro cha Domeni abakongo bashaziremo kugaruka owaabo.
But as we speak now, the situation has returned to normal. People are crossing from either side of the border.
Ogunagirangu ebyo kwerinda mu Uganda bitiruma amani kurebuka ngu abahekera aba tabataha omuri Uganda.
We continue to monitor together with our Congolese counterparts the situation along the border, but as far as I'm concerned as of now, I would like to urge our people to stay calm.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahangs.